Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video, we saw how to use final keyword with class signature and what's the impact. In today's video, we will see the usage of final keyword with method, the Java methods. So this was previous class, it's showing red line, so just I'll comment them out. So it won't impact the project structure. Close all. Okay, so I'll create one, let's say a class, let's say school, there's a class school, and I'll create one more class, it's a student. And school class will have some methods. By the way, this is going to my parent class. School is going to my parent class, and child class is student here. So student will extend school class. That's the idea. And we will try to override the method. And it's possible. Child class can override the methods coming from parent class. And that's quite commonly seen scenarios in Java language. So before we move forward with the code, the syntax for this is, let's move right side over here. Okay, so syntax is definitely modifier, then that keyword, final, then return type, then method name, parenthesis, curly brace, and done. So that's how you can have method. If I have to explain with example, so it says modifier becomes public. Yeah, that's mostly used keyword. Final remains same, it's a keyword. Return type, let's say I don't want to return anything, so void. And method, let's say fees or fee, whatever. So we have one reserved keyword final, let's make it bold 20, and this is here the keyword. Okay, so what I will do, I will try to create this kind of method in school class and we'll try to override the method. Let's see what happens. So school class having this method, okay, and this is school fee for class or student is, let's just make it generic, is it's $1,000. School fees for student class first is $1,000. Okay, that's just a method, and method is final. Let's try to create its tester and see what's the impact. Right now, student class is just normal class, so we'll say extends first of all, which I missed. So school class, now student is child of school class. Again, notice guys, I have used final with method signature, not with a class. So yeah, class is normal, so that can be also easily inherited. Okay, going to create a tester. Let's say final method tester. Done. Main method done. Let's create object of school first. So school equals new school, then school dot fees. Okay, so normal method call from parent class, and yeah, working fine. Let's create a separator. Okay, let's create a student object, student new. Since we have inheritance, so there should be no difference or error. I can still access fees method. Okay, cool. It says run as, and school fees for student first is $1,000. But the case is this student is not from first class, maybe it's from second or third grade. Then the method must be overridden. The class that must be overridden, right? So what this class will do, the child class will do, it will try to have the same signature, of course without final keyword. That's not allowed. And here when we do this, we're getting error. What it says? Cannot override the final method from school class. Yes, guys, that's the impact. If your parent class method is marked final, you cannot override it. That's the impact of using final keyword with parent class. So let me put a note here. First thing is, if parent class has final keyword in their method signature, then child class cannot override the method. Okay guys, so that's how it works. If your parent class has final keyword with the method signature, you cannot override it. So, and we tried to do that and we are getting a compile time error. What it says, cannot override the final method from the school class. So that's the impact of having final keyword with message. So if you want to save your method, that should not be overridden. You don't want to change its behavior. Either it's a parent class or child class. You just want its behavior to be, free from all the overriding. And then you can mark that method final. So nobody can, even the child can be, sorry, the Java class can be subclassed or can have its child classes, but child class cannot override this particular feature. This is kind of fixed. Like we saw with variable, that variable cannot, the value of the variable cannot be changed. Same way is here, if your method, the method implementation cannot be changed or override by the parent class, sorry, child class. So that's the impact of having final keyword with a method signature. And again, this needs inheritance. So that's why we have to cover object-oriented programming first to understand the basic concepts. Then we can understand the final keyword. I hope you understood it. Still, if there's a question or doubt, feel free to drop your questions in chat section or the comment section. We can discuss over it again, and I can definitely clear your question or doubts. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.